Hello everyone, I am Aditi Sardesai and I am studying in Chanakya Junior College run by Shri Vidyadham Education Society, Standard 12th, Stream Commerce. Today in this elocution competition, my topic is social and political thoughts of Lokmanya Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, worldwide known as Lokmanya Tilak. He was an Indian nationalist. He always fought for India till his last breath. His motivation, his aura, his idea, but were still alive amongst the people. And people were so motivated by his speeches and his articles. But as we all know, that to reach the height of supremacy, we have to struggle a lot. Lokmanya had to do the same. His thoughts weren't accepted at first. He was continuously backfired. But after some time, people got to know him as a nationalist and he was trying to focus only on the freedom of India. People thought that his thoughts were too violent, filled with aggression. But no, they were not. Yes, he did say that we should fight against the Britishers. But no, the meaning was that only if the verses are calling up for it. Because nothing was going to happen if we would have shaken hands with the Britishers. And that's where we lagged behind. Britishers enjoyed divide and rule, and they enjoyed it a lot. We morally, politically were grounded and surrounded. We were lost because we weren't together. But as we know that by the time heals us, and that's what exactly happened with us. Sadly, Lokmanya Tilak couldn't see what he had sowed. But as I said earlier, that his articles, his motivation, his speeches were continuously running through people's mind. And by this, Britishers got stubborn, and because of that, they arrested him several times. People were not able to do anything. No one was able to do anything, but Britishers couldn't stop Lokmanya Tilak because of his thoughts. He was a very strong-minded person. By the medium of newspaper, by his speeches, he reached till the people and till the subjects. And as we all know, intellectuals, writers were some kind of against him because of the violence. But due to the medium of the newspaper and all, intellectuals, writers and more people supported him and they came together for the fight of India. Akhanda Bharat was Lokmanya's slogan, and because of this slogan, he was continuously owing his life towards India for India. Not only him, but other fellow people were also ready to owe their lives to the Swaraj because he wanted and other of his followers wanted Purna Swaraj. And he made it. And of course, we should walk on the path which is right and which is right choice for the future, and hence we should always be stubborn on the idea which we are following. That's it. I just wanted to say a few things about this. Lokmanya had strong political and social views, and we all know that because they are in common, and he wanted to spread in each of us. He wanted every Indian to walk with a grace and hail Mother India. And this is what he wanted, and he got it. But sadly, we got it too late. We could have it way more earlier. But that's it. Hence, I just wanted to say thank you for listening.